Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have the image, good. First, right-click an empty area on the desktop or press Windows key, then type Settings and open Personalization. On macOS, open System Preferences Desktop and Screensaver. Once done, navigate to Background or Desktop pane. Make sure the image file is in an accessible folder and not blocked by permissions. If it's in cloud storage, download a local copy so the system can apply it immediately. Now add the file, click Browse Windows or the plus button macOS and select your image. You'll see options to choose how it fits the screen, pick Fill to cover, Fit to keep whole image, or Center for no scaling. If needed, rotate or crop the photo before applying. Use the preview to confirm how icons and widgets sit against the background. Make sure to check multiple display settings if you have more than one monitor so each screen looks correct. Finish by clicking Apply or Set as Desktop Background so the change takes effect. If you use multiple monitors, either assign the image to each display or choose Span to stretch it across all screens. If you don't see the new wallpaper, restart the Explorer or log out and back in. Also confirm the file format is supported, JPG or PNG, and you have read permission. If the issue persists, try a different image to rule out file corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.